This is the most severe case of cylinder scuffing I've ever seen on a Porsche. What you usually think of as cylinder scuffing is nothing compared to this. This is what real cylinder scuffing looks like. You can feel every single ridge and groove just by touching it. It feels like walking up a set of stairs. 3 cylinders in a row, each one worse than the last. The inside of the cylinder has lost all its smoothness. This is a Panamera 3.0T engine. It's Porsche's own proprietary engine. Everyone says the EA837 engines are prone to cylinder scuffing. But why? Why did this Panamera 3.0 engine scuff so severely as well? I have to admire the owner. Being able to keep driving daily in this condition is impressive. The owner recently noticed a loss of engine power. Abnormal noises and oil burning were becoming increasingly serious. That's why they came to us to overhaul the engine. Enough talk. Watch us spend the next 5 days performing a complete restoration on this engine so it can keep the owner company for another 10 years. The cylinder scuffing is so severe that it's beyond saving. Even boring the cylinders won't restore it to factory condition. We gave the owner a more cost-effective solution, replacing it with an original used short block. A word of caution here. You must find an original used block that hasn't been refurbished. Otherwise, the replacement is pointless. This not only brings it back to near factory performance, but also avoids potential headaches from boring the cylinders. The engine overhaul is complete. Do you think it can stay on the road for another 10 years now?